Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. Today I wanted to give you an update on the progress that I have been making on my Tree of Life macrame project. It is really a joy to do, believe it or not. I'm really having fun. So I opened the package, read through the instructions, and really just started to get a feel for the cord and everything. It is very, very soft macrame cord. It is not hard at all. I remember years ago, the type of macrame cord that we worked with, it seemed to be very tough, textured, but this is very, very soft. So this is where I am right now. I have it on a hanger. I'm going to show you kind of what I've done. So I started out making the hanging loop, and the hanging loop is made with a number of knots, consecutive knots, and then you knot it and put it onto the hoop here. And then what I did was I buried the leftover cord underneath these as I put them on. All right, so then you have to put the initial strands on, and they're very, very long. Okay, very long. But once you get them all measured out and everything, you're good. So this is the very first part here where you do a series of half hitch knots. And I started in this direction going here. All right. And so this is what I did. I grouped them and did my series of knots. And I'm really pleased with the way these knots came out. Now, I thought I would stop here, and the next step, I need to add my beads. So these are the beads that I need to add on, and then I need to do another series of knots. So I'm going to go ahead and work on this, and while I'm working on this, why don't you guys grab a project that you can work on as well, and we can do something together, okay? So let's get started.
Next level. Next level. Next level. Next level. Level, 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 next level.
So I am back. I've been working on my Macrame Tree of Life project, and I now have the beads on. Would you like to see how it looks? So here it is. So initially when you saw it earlier, I only had the double half hitch knots at the top, and I had placed all of my cords on the hoop and used a lark's head knot for that. So now here I've now enclosed the beads with another set of double half hitch knots. So I think it looks great. The challenge is to try to keep the cords from getting tangled, as well as keeping them from unraveling. It is a very loosely twisted cord. And so as you are working with it, it does tend to split a little bit. So you have to be careful with that. But otherwise, so far, I think it's working out great. All right. So yeah, progress. All right. Now, in the videos that I had done during the month of April, I did a set of word jumble puzzles, and I had asked on my update if you guys were interested in doing more of them. Well, I got responses back, and it looks like you guys were definitely interested. So I'm going to go ahead today in this video, and I'm going to give you a word jumble puzzle. The one that I'm going to give you is based on today's date, and since today is the 9th of May, we're going to go ahead and give you the 9th of May's puzzle. So here we go. All right, guys. So the whole idea behind the word jumble is to take the letters and try to unscramble them. You should be able to get at least one 6-letter word, one 5-letter word, one 4-letter word, and one 3-letter word. And if you can get more, that's great. But you should at least try to see if you can find one in each of those categories. Sometimes it really stumps me and I'm not able to get a word in each category. It's all in fun, so please do not stress yourself over it and just see how it goes. Puzzles are very good and they really do help you to kind of exercise memory muscle and things like that, focus, attention, and whatnot. And they don't necessarily have to be word puzzles. Any kind of puzzle will do. So that's all I have for today. I am really excited about my macrame project, and I will definitely continue to work on it and show you guys the progress as I go. So, guys, do everything you can to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye bye.